Hello everyone, welcome to today's demonstration on Retell lecture. Here today in this video I will be showing you how to do Retell lecture based on your note takings, which is based on keywords and phrases, and focusing on how to improve your fluency by combining your phrases and making them sound like sentences. Also making sure that covering content and taking notes and making sure that we perform all the three things necessary for Retell lecture, which is oral fluency, pronunciation, and content. For detailed instruction about Retell lecture, please make sure you go through the lecture video, right, as I will only be performing here. Thank you so much. Now let's start with our Retell lecture.
Here are three important factors in creativity. People, process, and product. The most important one is the process. First, you have to create the right person through education with a creative mind. Second, you have to create the right process to have people engaged in the innovation process. Third, you need to find the right problem to work on. Human beings can survive and prosper largely depending on the creativity they have. If you identify and assess the creativity of a finished product, it is taken as a proxy for the creativity of the person who produced such a product. Therefore, a creative product should be surprising, original, beautiful, and useful. People should have factors necessary for genius, ability, and the right mindset. You should improve to imitate and change insight. Look from new perspectives. Innovately create something with imagination to expand the conceptual spaces.
The lecture was about three important factors in creativity, which are people, product, and process. Process is the most important one. People, educate, and mind process for people problems to work on. Identify the finished product, person who produces a product, beautiful, useful, improve to imitate, look for new perspectives and conceptual spaces. After analyzing the lecture, it can be concluded that this lecture is providing crucial information strongly supported by important facts and figures, having a great impact on the three processes. And that's how you do it. Okay, so make sure again to make sure you combine your keywords properly, make sure they sound like sentences, and obviously speak up. Do not speak at a lower volume, so make sure that you properly emphasize on the contents. Okay, thank you guys so much for tuning in this video. Take care.